Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive into Python, one of the most popular and versatile programming languages in the world. If you're new to Python or just curious about why it's such a big deal, stick around because we're about to break it all down. So, what is Python? Python was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. It's an open source, high-level programming language designed to be easy to read and write. Its simplicity is one of Python's biggest selling points. Its syntax is clean and straightforward, making it great for both beginners and experienced developers. Python is incredibly versatile. It's used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and automation. Frameworks like Django and Flask help developers build powerful web apps quickly. Companies like Google and Netflix use Python for data analytics, machine learning, and even recommendation systems. So, why is Python so popular? It has a huge community and a vast collection of libraries and frameworks for everything from machine learning to web development. Plus, Python is cross-platform, meaning you can write your code once and run it on Windows, Mac, or Linux. Python's future is bright, especially with the rise of artificial intelligence and cloud computing. With its simplicity and versatility, Python is sure to remain a top programming language for years to come. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this quick overview of Python, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more programming insights. See you in the next video.